Yeah. Fire. Water.
Water. This is important. Water.
Sugar and coffee.
Beautiful.
Fire. This is where you will put the coffee at the end. Cups. And
Machine.
mocha. This is the mocha. This is the bagel that we use to start the day. Because from here there is the black gold. So I need anyone because I want to learn to any one of you to make the coffee. Anyone can know how to use it? So
Italian origin.
Explain to them. Coffee. Yeah. The water goes. Yeah. Help me out. Show to them how till where you have to.
The line, and what you have to do is you see this is you have to go above that because this is going to steam to the top.
Yes, my wife said that she put the things to bubble it inside.
For the
Inside. Okay, now look. I'll put the coffee inside the filter. This is appetizer. Yeah. Now we're done. Good job.
So how many does this do?
to the top, just about to the top.
Yeah, but you need more
Yeah,
because
because I got a little space there.
otherwise become too. We say a quarter.
Another one. One more.
One more. So it's more strong.
Jet fuel.
Okay. Perfecto.
I put that much when I make a pie.
So you don't tamper it down. Just
Rob, give me the camera while you're doing that.
Please,
Now
camera.
we're going to screw this on top.
Perfect.
no guarantees.
Use the power now.
Fire it up.
Okay.
Am I sitting good?
Yeah.
That's good. I'm only going to have to make this for my father.
Yeah.
This is your origin.
I got a 90. I have one of those, yeah. I actually have the old-fashioned one that my grandmother used to have. We used to have to turn it over on the stove.
Okay, guys. Can we convert you? Okay, you can find all this product in the shop.
For $19.99.
Only for $19.99
We give
today.
you one extra coffee. Totally free of charge.
And don't forget to buy the mocha with the face of Ciro and Angelo.
And with that, you get the record of the cafe.
Napolitan wife, another cuties of Napolitan people. Napolitan wife, this
It's
coffee
very.
want in the bedroom every morning. In the bed. You take me coffee, please. You know, I don't step of the.
Very nice.
You like it?
Very nice.
Stop, oh.